Okay, so again, back to the formulas that Mr. Middleman showed us in the video. You find the correct formula by looking at the power of the generator. In our case, we have a power of 4, which means we're going to our fourth power formula. Again, we can see that kind of matching with what we have written down. N goes up to 11, so everywhere we see N in this formula, we're going to replace it with 11, and that's how we'll find the sum. So this one just takes a little bit more substitution, but once you get the substitutions done, you can use your calculator. So I'm going to replace each n with 11, so that'll be 11 times 11 plus 1 times 2 times 11 plus 1 times 3 times 11 squared plus 3 times 11 minus 1 all over 30. Now, I would recommend we do a little bit of simplifying before we try to type this into our calculator. So we have 11, okay, and then 11 plus 1 is 12, and then we have 2 times 11 plus 1, so that's 22, plus 1 is 23, times, okay, now this might be a little bit more simplification that's going to happen here, but we have 11 squared times 3, so 121 times 3 would be 363 plus 33 minus 1 all over 30. And then at this point, guys, I would hope that you can simplify this using your calculator. And when you do, you're going to get a sum of 39974. So 39,974. All right, great work, guys.